Welcome to the second episode of Cold Climate, and here we're going to take this basic plot we got last time and we're going to make it a lot better and give it some more finesse. And we're going to make it something like this. So in this episode we're going to learn some basic plotting and some resampling mechanics, so let's get right at it. So now we're back in Python, so let's get to where we were before. Play data.plot. And we have a plot. But this is the basic pandas data frame. Or does it map plot lib to axis? But we want some more customizable stuff. We want a grid on it, we want to make it our own. So for that, in Python we use this package called import matplotlib.pylab, and we call that plot. And what this allows us to do is create figures. Fig on the axis and equals plot subplot. So plots 1, so we get this one figure. And fig size equals brackets. Let's go 8 by 8. So if we run this, we get a figure and it's blank, but it has axes on. So this is going to be acting as our canvas where we can paint our data onto. So now we have our data as before. Then we have the axis, so axis.plot data, and let's call it weekly. Oh, call it label CO2 weekly. Let's run that. So there we have before. Like we had before, we have line coming up, but we don't have the label there yet. So for that, we gave this a name, this plot. That's the label. If we want to go actions.legend, E-G-N-D, yeah. I'll do that. We're like CO2 weekly. Nice. Heading somewhere. But mostly it's pretty blank space, like kind of hard to see where this plot here goes. So to see the better beta, understand it more, you normally put stuff on a grid, right? So that's simple enough. Axis just got grid. Maybe not. If that's about grid, right? Grid. Yeah. Now we got a grid. We also see at the bottom and the top, we got these annoying white spaces where no data is. So we want to get rid of that. We can do that by setting the axis limit. So this would be for the x-axis. Set x. So axis dot set xlim. So now we have the data, and the bottom x-axis is based off the indexes. So you want index square bracket 0. That's gonna get the first one. First index. And then we want the top one. So you want data.index. Again, 0, but before that 0, we just put a little swiggle. That make it the opposite of the first one. So that'd be the max, or the end. Like that, and like bam, we got no more of those little white lines, that white space what we see in the default one. So we're still getting there, but we have no Y label at all. If you want to plot something to make it look nice, you need Y labels. So you want to set Y label, bell, and that is CO2, and it's in units. You always need to remember the units, so ppm, what's parts per million. And that, like, bam! We're getting somewhere. It's getting a bit nicer. Let's say if you don't like blue as the color, you can go back in the axis.plot and we'll just set color equals, let's just say green. It's like green. Nice. Now it's green. Let's make it red. Let's make it blue. Nice. So now we have one bit of data plot on this. And it's Now we're going to use one of probably the best features of pandas when we have date-time indexes, and resample the data and get a yearly mean. So there's actually two ways we can see resample the data by. First, we're just going to take the whole time series and get a mean each year. So we do that. So let's say year D equals data dot, as we said, just resample. It's quite straightforward. And we want 1 year, so comma, let's put some quotations, and then 1 year, and we want to take a mean, so dot mean, and then say, let's plot that. So let's axis dot plot year D label equals CO2 year. Now after this one, axis dot legend, and that just show up the labels. So run this now. Like nice. With a year of the weekly, the CO2 year, but it's hard to see. It's both blue, so let's go color equals red. Nice. That's one way you can resample data to make it look. And that's nice to give you more information about the plot. You can see the trend much clearer. It's going up and up and up. The next one we can do, say we want to understand this oscillation going up and down. So we want to like mean by each month, right? So if we just resample by 1 month, it's just gonna take the 1 month mean and it'll look pretty similar. Let's say if we want to resample the whole data and find the oscillation each month. For that, we want to group it by them each month. So let's say month D, and data dot group by, and we want to group it by the indexes in each month. And again, we want to take the mean. So if we just copy this and put it into this terminal, now hit month D, we see we have 12 bits data, 1, 2, 3, 5, and that's a bit of the oscillation going up and down. So where are we going to put this data? So for that, we can actually create a new axis inside this figure. So we'll call axis 2 equals fig dot add axis. And here it gets a bit messy. Let's go 0.1. We have 4 things to put in for the location. Where it is on the left, where the bottom's going to be, the width of it, and the height of this new axis. And they're not quite perfect. So let's go, say 0.1, 0.4 for the bottom. That should be about there-ish maybe. 0.2, 0.4. And if we just run this, like, we have a new axis, but it's just a little bit in the way. So let's try and move it a bit. 0.3, 0.3. Let's do that. It's still kind of in the way. 2. Nice. Let's see if we can 3 by 3. Nice. We can move it up a little, just a little bit, like bottom. That's got a 5. Nice. So if we say that again, the first one, let's put hashtag. So first is the left, second is the bottom, third is the width, and the last one is the height. Nice. So now we have this little axis, so axis 2 dot plot month D. Nice. Getting somewhere. Looks good. So now I'm going to do the same again. Axis 2 dot grid. Axis 2 dot set x lim dot there. Now the x lim, we know it starts from 1 and goes to 12. And run that. Look nice. Still we got the plot looking okay, but it's still, the axis looks a bit awkward. These x ticks are a bit off. We just want some integers. So let's say axis 2 dot set x ticks. Yeah. There's some circle brackets, and the square brackets, and let's say like 3, 6, 9. Now hit play. We're like, nice. 3, 6, 9. Getting somewhere. And we want to let's put a title. We can kind of put the label inside there. So let's say, let's give it a title. It's axis 2 dot set title. Let's call it monthly. And then let's go for the one above. So let's just copy that. 2, and then let's put first axis, let's call it the Keeling. Keeling curve play. Yeah, and we just need to move it down one little bit. Nice! I think that will be a wrap for today. So now we can see we have our basic plot. We've gone from a basic plot. Let's go all the way up. Well, something like that looks a bit okay-ish, but something actually a bit more presentable, a bit more nice, and it's got more detail about the data we have. So from that we can understand it's always going up, and we can see this monthly trend. So now we've plotted the Keeling curve, we're going to end with a question. It's like, what is this oscillation? And is it increasing year to year? So that's for you to go home and find out. And leave your answers in the comments below. See you next time on Cold Climb.